Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Venmo with a debit card. So first, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not the video for you. I'm not able to log in into Venmo because I'm outside the US at the moment, so I apologize. For the rest, of course, you'll need to go and log in into your account if you have one. If you don't, you'll need to go and create an account. If you're struggling with that, you can find one of our videos on how to create an account. So, of course, you'll need to go and access Venmo account and you'll need to sign in into your account. If you're not signed in, then access the settings and the new interface because this is old. How to access the settings? Basically, if you go to the bottom right, you'll find the me option. Click on the me option. Once you click on it, you'll find a gear icon at the top right corner, which is settings. Just go and click on that. Once you do so, you'll find this payment methods. Go and click on it. And once you click on it, of course, here you can simply click on add the bank or card. And then once you do so, of course, you'll have to choose card and make sure that, as you can see here, we charge 3% fee for sending money with credit cards. We don't charge for purchases or debit card payments. And then you'll have, of course, to enter your informations or your card informations, a card number, expiration date, security code, and zip code. Once you click on add, of course, you will have, as you can see, it's the blue button on the form. This links your debit card to Venmo. If the card information isn't accepted, double check the information to make sure you entered this correctly. And if you had a recent change to address and cannot add your card, Venmo recommends contacting your bank for assistance. And if you have multiple payments method and want to set this debit card as default, you can go to settings, payments methods, and tap on the card. And of course, if you can do this using a web browser as well, you can log in into your account, go to settings, go to payments methods, edit payments method, add a debit card or credit card, then simply add your card again, doing the same way. You can also go and add a bank account if you want to, and you should be normally good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.